What is it?
Too quick, that's right. Luckily, that rich guy died when he crashed his plane near Santa Barbara.
Boom!
John waited a month or so.
That's right, motherfucker. That's why you don't cut people off. Fucking asshole. Fucking douchebag. That was awesome. Never get that.
That there's insufficient medical evidence. We fight for your right to receive the compensation you deserve. If you deny disability claims on the basis that there's insufficient medical evidence, we fight for your right to receive the compensation you deserve. If
Jail! You're going to fucking jail! Oh my god. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He just I did nothing to him. Look at this piece of shit. Dude, look what he did in my fucking car! Look at this piece of shit. Look at you. Are you gonna fucking attack me? Are you gonna attack me? For what did I do to you? What are you, nuts? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? This is the guy's plate number. Are you fucking embarrassed of this guy? He just destroyed my brand new car. He just fucking destroyed my brand new car, you idiot.
That was a good grab.
What happened?
I didn't think this truck was going to stop either. Good grab.
What happened?
Car just came on this side.
Why?
He wasn't stopping.
did you say?
I had my lights on.
No, God!
Ahorita que ya está arriba, ya te damos chance que bajes lo que tengas que bajar.
Ok.